Hey boo hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from one of my most favorite human hair wig makers, and that's Donmily hair. Y'all, we have worked with them probably since we first started reviewing human hair on this channel. I absolutely love them. They are in my top most favorite human hair wig makers, and y'all know that's how we do on this channel. If one is trash, and a lot of them have bit the dust. If one of them is trash, I tell you they're trash, we never hear from them again. Bam. I'm not sure what's in this box because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. All I did was take it out of its shipping, but if you look in the description box, you'll see all the details that you need to know about this wig. Oh, first of all, let's just look at that color before we even move forward, y'all. Okay, not only did they send the wig, they also sent a makeup brush, an edge band, some eyelashes, and some stocking caps. Y'all, this color. And that's another reason why I love them. Because sometimes, you know, I'll be like, ooh, I'm not sure what this is. Look in the description box. They tell me. This wig is 24 inches long. It's straight, and it's in the color TL412. Y'all. And is this, y'all, and it's a 4x4. Look at God, y'all. Oh my goodness. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get that 4x4. Y'all know I love a 4x4 because they are easy. Easy, okay? You also get 2 combs in the front too. Y'all, this might be the one. Okay, let me cut off that itty bitty ass piece of lace and flat iron this, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. But I know I'm going to love this before we even do all this, so be right back.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I
y'all. Y'all, it's been a very long time since human hair has made me excited, but y'all know anytime that it's blonde, it's a 4x4, I'm gonna be in love. Y'all, this wig is bomb.com. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Let's not focus on the color yet, because that is the selling point of this hair. But the hair quality itself is really, really, really nice, y'all. By being a 4x4, it really is a throw on and go. The hair is soft. I'm not getting any tangling, shedding, but you know it's straight out of the pack. Now let's move on to what the selling point on this wig is. Y'all, this color, oh my gosh. It's just so pretty, and I really think that these tones would be beautiful on someone that is much lighter than me or someone that is much darker than me. This is just a beautiful, beautiful blend that Donmily Hair did on this unit, y'all. This one gorgeous. This is one of those ones that I want to hold on to, because it'll be like, ooh, one day I'm gonna, and I just won't. This hair, y'all, this is so pretty. It's pretty. I 1010% recommend this particular unit. And y'all know I normally don't really like long hair like this, and I love this length, honey. Y'all look at that. Look how it fall over your shoulder. Look at them colors. Yes. I 1010% recommend that you go check this unit out by Donmily Hair, y'all. It's super beginner friendly and just gorgeous. There's no other words for it. Just gorgeous. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into hair. Maybe it's your cousin Selena. Just like Selena, right? Maybe it's your Uncle Samson. I don't know. Whichever one. If y'all put them in this honey blonde baddie wig, baby, they shutting down the scene. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. I can't stop touching it. I can't stop looking at it, because it is just that pretty to me. Until next time, y'all. It was so good to end on this positive note, because I had a real loser, and this wig was just a real winner. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.